Make your money work like magic. Compound interest secrets revealed. Have you ever wondered how some people effortlessly amass enormous wealth over time? The answer lies in the incredible power of connection. In this video, we explain this financial concept to you and show you how it can help you achieve your long-term financial goals. Whether you are an experienced trader or just beginning your journey, understanding the safeguards of security is essential to building a secure financial future. So, let's dive in and explore the magic of shortcuts and find out how to make your money work harder for you. If you find it helpful, please subscribe to the channel. So, let's begin. Understanding binding effect. Compounding is a simple yet extraordinary concept. The point is to generate returns not only on the initial investment, but also on the cumulative returns over time. This will make your money grow exponentially, allowing you to earn more every year. Do not worry. You don't have to be a financial expert to take advantage of this phenomenon. Start early, reap the rewards. Time is the most important factor in submission. The earlier you start investing, the more time you have with your money. Even small donations in the first few years can turn into large sums in the future. So don't hesitate. Start investing as early as possible to maximize your retention power. The magic of compound interest. Compound interest is the fuel that keeps the compound interest engine running. It's like interest on your interest. The more often your interest builds up, the faster your wealth will multiply. Leaving your money invested longer lets you see the magic of connection in action. You can even use the rule of 72 to estimate how long it will take for your investment to double. Fluctuations in the weather market. The road to wealth accumulation is not always easy. Market fluctuations are part of this process. However, connection can be your staunch ally in turbulent times. By staying engaged and keeping your investments long-term, you can weather market uncertainty and ultimately emerge stronger. Connection outside of finance. Pooling goes beyond monetary gains. It extends to all areas of life. As your investment grows, so do your skills, knowledge, and connections. Use continuous learning and personal development to enrich your life over time. Nurture meaningful relationships and watch them blossom and positively impact your future. Conclusion. Congratulations! You now understand the power of connection and how it can affect your financial destiny. Remember, stacking is not a get-rich-quick scheme. It requires patience and dedication. Thank you for watching.